Hi everyone, my name's Mike and I'm back with another tech tip. Ever wanted to capture everything written on a whiteboard after an hours-long brainstorming session with your team? How about scanning a paper document and edit the contents in Microsoft Word? Did you know that Microsoft has a great solution called Microsoft Office Lens that allows you to take a photo and then work on the document on your Apple or Android device? Microsoft Office Lens is like carrying a scanner around in your back pocket. Like magic, Microsoft Office Lens digitizes notes on whiteboards or blackboards. Always find important documents or business cards. Sketch ideas and snap a picture for later. Never lose receipts or stray sticky notes again. You can download Microsoft Office Lens on the Apple, Android, and Microsoft stores. If you have any questions on Microsoft Office Lens or any other burning IT question, we're here to help. Visit our website, chat with our live chat agent, give us a call, or shoot us an email. Our team is here to help with any of your IT service needs.